What's up, YouTube? Yoke Gang, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the PSA Dagger chambered in 9mm. It's another budget find. I'm excited. I've heard really good things about it, but let me make my own opinion on it. Don't go far. Let me get my stuff. We'll be right back. I didn't see your card.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
No, this is an indoor range, brother.
Gotta get some stuff. How are y'all doing?
Yeah, just make sure it's inside.
Hit that thumbs up for me.
It out when you're in the room.
Thank you guys for joining.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kevin,
What's up? What's up?
how are you?
Chilling.
Chilling?
What are we doing? Just
Yeah.
range?
I need some 9. You can give me 2. And we are back. Like I said, we are talking about the PSA Dagger chambered in 9mm, and it is a compact pistol. Y'all know I'm not really into the compacts, but when I held it, it didn't feel too bad. And for the price point, PSA, I think it's pretty credible. So I thought I should bring this on here for you guys. Y'all already know we got all the new. We're not seeing much repeats on here, and the reason why I do that, because there's so many people that are interested in so many things, and I want to be able to produce for every single one of you the best that I can. Like I tell y'all, I am not sponsored by anybody. This comes directly out of the pocket, directly out of the pocket, and I'm more critical when it comes to my reviews because of that, because nobody's paying me to do this. And even if they were, I would still give you my honest opinion on it. So with that being said, let's do the unboxing. The box looks pretty good. Pretty good. But before, y'all already know we're doing giveaways now on the premiere. This giveaway on this go round is going to be this beautiful Glock rangeback. Man, this thing is pretty impressive. It has a great size to it. Let me open this up so y'all can see. This ain't no play range bag here. Check out the size of this bag. It is a huge bag, and it comes with 6 magazines. A 6-slot magazine in the back. No, 6 slots for your magazines. 6 slots for your magazines in the back, and it's really nice. It also comes with your long strap. So this is going to be the giveaway on this premiere. Stick around for the question, because I know y'all feeling this. Y'all feeling this, because I am. All right, so that's our giveaway for this premiere. Back to what we were talking about. We were talking about the PSA. You probably can't even see it, but the box is beautiful. PSA Dagger chambered in 9mm. All right, check it out. It is really nicely put together, I must say. Even though it is a box, y'all know I like them hard cases, but the box is pretty decent. You have your manual here at the top. Y'all look what I found. I found some stickers. Y'all know I love stickers. Love stickers. All right, your manual. Neat little sleeve right here for your manual. And you have your firearm. Let's put this here. Well, let's put this aside and then finish with the box. All right. It comes with one 15-round magazine. It is a PMag, 15 rounds. It looks like it could be Glock compatible because it looks just like a Glock mag. You have another ornament. This is your lock. And that's it. That's it. All right. So let's put this away. Let's take that out. All right. So first things first, let's do a clear check. She's clear. She has a flag in her. Let's get that out. Now, I just want to make it known and clear that I respond and react to my my fam in the comments. Now, I understand that a lot of people don't want to pay a whole lot of money for guns, And that's fine. And I understand that. That's why I go out of my way to find reliable firearms at a very, very cost-friendly price point so that everybody can, you know, be a part of protecting themselves. And that's why you rarely see the same gun on multiple occasions, because we bring in new guns all the time for you. If you have something that you would like for me to review, if I can find it, we'll definitely bring it on here. Okay, with that being said, she's clear. As you can hear, we are in a safe and controlled environment. We are at the gun range. Our range officer is right inside, but this is the PSA Dagger chambered in 9mm. She's quite boxy, but she's nice. She's nice. Let me close that, insert the magazine so that you can see how she looks with the magazine. I don't know what the comparison, if I had to compare it to something, what it would be. It's more squared than a Glock, but she's nice. All right, let's run through the dimensions and all that good stuff. I'm sorry I didn't have much time to sit with her and get pretty familiar with it, but we're going to make sure we give you the right information. The model is the Palmetto Dagger Compact, chambered in 9mm. She's a striker fired action. She weighs 22.4 ounces unloaded. The overall length is 7.15 inches. Your overall width, which would be this way, is 1.28 inches. The overall height from here to here is 4.78 without the magazine. So if we take the mag out, it would be 4.78. All right, the barrel length is a 3.9 inch barrel. All right, the material of the barrel is stainless steel. The finish of the barrel, let me hold this up, sorry. The finish of the barrel is DLC coating. I don't know if y'all are interested in the twist rate. The twist rate is SAAMI. I guess that would be Sammy. Sammy spec 1:10. I'm not sure what that translates into. Let me know in the comments. Whoa, if you know. All right. So the slide material is stainless steel. The slide finish is DLC coated. The frame is a polymer frame. The front side is a white dot, but this one is equipped with night sights. So the sights do glow. I don't know if you can see that. It does have night sights on it. Striker block safety. Striker block safety. This one doesn't have a safety on it. That's your slide release. Well, this one does not have it. And like I said, you have one 15-round magazine. Great. Your mag release seems to be quite big and bulky. Holding her, it doesn't feel like it's going to be an issue, but that's your mag release. Your trigger, it kind of reminds me of the older Smith & Wesson C triggers, but we're going to see if I like that. What else? Her grip. Her grip is not aggressive. It's not aggressive at all, but it has just enough aggression on it if your hands start to sweat. I like the way the magazine kind of sticks out a little bit. I think it gives it a nice extendo look. Well, I know it's not extended, but it gives it, it's not flush. I like that. All right, what else? You have your slide release here. It does not have safeties. You do have some that are optic cut. This one is not optic ready, and that's fine. I'm okay with it. And oh, it does have a rail underneath. So if you want to add I don't think I mentioned what we will be shooting. We are going to be shooting the Winchester 9mm 115 grain full metal jacket. All right, we're ready. I found some Glock magazines in my truck. I fit them and they seem to fit, but we're going to try and see and make sure that they do take Glock magazines. If they take Glock magazines, that would be super, super, super plus. Great. So let's go inside. Ears. Oh, we're alone now. Perfect timing. Perfect.
You ain't like you gonna hit shit.
Did y'all hear something? No. Let's go. We are alone. Y'all already know how I feel about our alone time. Take it out. Steady. Alright. I got my speed loader. I went ahead and speed loaded. Alright, here she is. Let's slide back. The Palmetto State Armory Dagger 9mm. Now I did say the magazine kind of looked like a Glock mag. They're very similar. So I have a feeling that the Glock mag is going to work. And I also have this Glock mag here. We only have 20 in here. But they have very similar characteristics. But I'm not sure. But we're going to find out. Alright. Let's go with the magazine that it comes with first. Alright. Nice. That was nice. Let's get that first shot impression. There's a nice little indentation here for your thumb. Let's see. Alright. Nice. Oh yeah. I like it. I like it. I like it. Trigger is super smooth. She's clear. Let's check the target. Target looks good. I know exactly what happened here.
Oh, that's horrible.
That second to last shot, I got a little excited. That's what happened. Come on now. Come on. You need my glasses. They clear. You need my glasses. Looks good. Looks good. All right, so we are gonna go with the Glock magazine now and see if that works. If it works, it'll be a thumbs up, thumbs up. All right, Glock mag. She sat. Perfect. So Glock mags work in the PSA Dagger. All right. Yes. Yes. Target swinging. Shoot. She's clear. Let's bring that target up. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so Glock mags work. Let's send her back, and we're gonna use the 20 round mag and see how that goes. We're going for dome. All right. Okay, we know it's not a 20 round, but we have only 20 rounds in it. We're going for dome. Nice. Yo! She's clear. Let's bring the target up. That was 20.
Man, that's horrible.
That was, oh, I hate that. That was 20 rounds. Yo, this thing shoots amazing. Amazing. Yo, let's put this aside. Good job, yo. Y'all, I'm psyched. Oh, how about we go for these? What you think? Want to try that? Let's go for these little ones on the side. She feeling herself. She feeling herself. All right, we're going back to the original mag that it comes with. Target swinging. Target swinging. She's clear. All right. Wait. Let me just shoot the other side. Let's just shoot the other side. Glock Magazine. Swinging. Oh no. My target was swinging. That's what I was telling you. The trigger's so soft. Before I can reset it, it's already ready to shoot. Oh no! It was almost perfect. Let's bring that target up. Okay, so I'm gonna ask the question now. The question is, how many rounds does the original mag hold? All right, we know we're shooting 2 different mags, Glock mag and the mag that comes with the pistol. How many rounds does the original mag hold? Got it? Let's get the target. All right, I told you that once I get all into and get excited, I am not taking that extra second to breathe, to get back on sight and all that stuff.
That's
and
hard,
this is what happened.
Looking at it.
This is what happened. Oh my goodness, it almost was a perfect target. Y'all, what do y'all think?
That's bad, yo.
Hey, sir. Sir. Forehead a little shiny. Look at that target. Really? That's what you're gonna focus on? All right, we have about 40 more. Let's, oh, y'all know we gonna keep this target. We have about 40 more. Let's send another target down. We got to reload also. Hey, how are you guys doing? What are y'all having for lunch? Where y'all watching from? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're just not joining, we are shooting the PSA Dagger. Got to keep her down range. We are shooting the PSA Dagger. Chambered in 9mm. She's good. All right, we got 3 mags left. 20 and 2. So we're gonna try something a little different, y'all. We're not gonna count this target because I'm just gonna try. We're gonna put the trigger in a couple different situations to see if we can cause a jam or see if we can try to confuse it a little bit. All right. That wasn't even using my sights. Everything is very central and vital, which is great. Next one. We're gonna try to confuse it again. It wasn't even so much as the trigger being confused because the trigger is so smooth. As far as the reset goes, it's your finger can't keep up. So that was cool. All right. Last one. We just gonna let this one go and see how that works. Target's flying. Clear. Woo! I'm gonna show you the target anyway. Look at that. Out of that was 20, 30, 40, that was 50 rounds.
That's your best target.
Get out of here. We got 2 flyaways out of 50 rounds. I did not use my sights at all. And it was still very controllable. Extremely well. Good job, yo. Good job.
Good job.
All right, I'll give you a fist bump for that one. Okay, y'all already know the drill. We got to clean up and we're going to talk about her. So don't go far. We will be right back. All right, let's go talk about her. Okay, to the winner. Obviously, this is not a live video, but congratulations on your beautiful Glock bag. And I also want to give a big up to our last winners that would be Pay Homage. He won $100. I hope you enjoy it. Go have you a nice meal on the game. That's for you. And the winner of the Target is, his name on Instagram is Lil Top JB. Lil Top JB, thank you for being interested in my Target. That's what's up. I'm gonna go ahead and sign that up for you. Y'all already know. Okay, now let's look at this Target. Let's look at this Target. I will also include this Target if you're interested in this Target. Go ahead and DM me on IG. I want it, and I will send it to you. Make sure you send me your address or your P.O. box, whatever it is. I will include what it was that I was shooting, and that's what's up. Thank you. All right, so what was we talking about? Let's do a clear check. She's hot. We are talking about, she's clear, the PSA Dagger 9mm. She is a fine piece of work. Fine piece of work. Now, if I can make one change, just one, and it's minor, it has nothing to do with the way it shoots, nothing, I would add a little bit of roughness, the way that the actual grip is rough. Y'all don't look at my fingernails. I would include that right here for my thumb. I was finding that my thumb was kind of slipping a little bit, but if we can just make that just extra aggressive, it would be perfect. Perfect. The PSA Dagger 9mm. Oh, she's hot. And another plus, y'all, she shoots Glock 19 magazines. So if you have any Glock 19 magazines laying around, definitely they are compatible with the Glock. It is compatible with the Glock 19 mag. Man, this was an awesome range day. These sights are so good. So good. Y'all know this stuff makes me happy and excited. Well, again, to our winners, they will be announced on the next premiere. Congratulations. And thank you. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching. Thank you for chatting. Thank you for all that. I want to thank every single one of you. Do not get discouraged. We are going to be giving away a lot more stuff. So make sure you hit that bell and that subscribe button so that you're notified when the next premiere comes around, so you can have your chance to win. And I got some really cool stuff coming up. So y'all already know. I'm sorry, but I gotta let y'all go. This is where it ends. Y'all know I love y'all for life. Peace.